Thanks for joining us today. We're diving into a fascinating topic, generative thinking, a new way of thinking that's becoming essential in this age of AI.
Yeah, it's interesting, isn't it? How AI isn't just changing what we do, but actually how we think. And this idea builds on something that came before, computational thinking.
Right. Computational thinking came about with the rise of computers. It's basically a way to solve problems by breaking them down, spotting patterns, creating logical steps, and designing algorithms.
Like the example of organizing a big library. Instead of just guessing where a book goes, you categorize books, find patterns in topics or authors, and create a system so people can find books quickly.
Exactly. And that was necessary because computers needed clear, structured instructions. But more than that, computers reshaped how we approach problems, making us think systematically.
Now, with AI, we're seeing a new shift. AI isn't just following instructions, it generates possibilities. When you ask AI a question, it doesn't just pull up an answer. It can create explanations, ideas, even designs and strategies.
So instead of just telling machines what to do, we're collaborating with them to explore what could be done. And that's where generative thinking comes in, a new mindset for working with AI.
Generative thinking is basically thinking with AI to generate, explore, refine, and judge possibilities. It's different from computational thinking, which is about structured problem solving. Generative thinking is about expanding possibilities.
Like if you're designing a product, instead of making one design, you ask AI to generate 20 variations. Then you explore those, refine the promising ones, and decide which is best.
And that's key. AI helps generate ideas, but humans are still responsible for judgment. It's this combination of AI's creative exploration and human critical thinking that defines generative thinking.
There are 5 core laws that guide this way of thinking. First, possibility. Recognizing many outcomes are possible, and AI expands that space. Then questions. Better questions lead to better AI responses.
Third is iteration. Ideas get better through repeated refinement, and AI lets us test variations quickly. Fourth is judgment. Humans decide what really matters. And fifth, creativity. New ideas come from combining concepts, with AI suggesting unexpected patterns.
Those laws give us a mental model to think generatively. And there's a practical framework called AIYING that breaks it down into 4 steps. Think, ask, judge, and accomplish.
So first, you think, frame the challenge or possibility. Then ask, use AI to generate ideas. Next, judge. Evaluate AI's responses carefully. And finally, accomplish. Turn the best idea into action.
This keeps AI as a partner in thinking, not a replacement. And generative thinking isn't just for tech experts. Students, entrepreneurs, scientists, artists, all can use it to explore possibilities and guide direction.
Yeah, as AI becomes part of everyday life, knowing how to interact with it effectively is crucial. People who just accept AI answers might miss deeper insights.
Generative thinkers use AI to explore many ideas, refine them, and apply judgment. This transforms AI from a tool for answers into a tool for innovation.
So to wrap up, tools have always changed how we think. Writing changed memory, printing changed knowledge, computers changed problem solving. Now AI is changing how we generate ideas.
And just as computational thinking was essential for computers, generative thinking is becoming essential for AI. Every generative journey starts with a question.
The future belongs not just to those who use AI, but to those who think with it.
Thanks for listening.